So I now need to go back to the icon menu. Let's just get out of that wire start there. And I want motor now. I want the actual motor itself. So I want a 3-phase motor, which is right there. I'm just going to go for a standard 3-phase motor there. I'm going to drop it right there and OK it. And all I've got to do now is click here, take that down to there, and I can connect that through if I want to. Or what I can do here is actually apply this. So what I need to do is select the insertion point on the middle 3-phase wire. Didn't do that, so let's just go back a few steps. Let's get this right. Let's go for icon menu, motor control. I want a 3-phase motor, and I need to pick on that middle one right there. When I OK it this time, it's all in there ready to go, as you can see. Now what I've got there is a 3-phase motor. It still doesn't look quite right, does it? So what I'll do there is I'll just go back and undo that, and I'll extend my wires. So what I need to do here now is extend the wires coming off of the overload here. So I'm going to select these 3 wires here. I'm going to right click and erase them, and then pan up a little bit and roll up on the wheel on the mouse and zoom in. And I'm going to add my wires, so I click wire here, pick the start point, left click, pick the end point, left click, right click, wire start again here, left click, and then another left click, and then a right click, and then left click, down here, left click, and then right click again, enter to finish. Now I'm just going to pan up a little bit. I'm then going to go to my icon menu here, select motor control again, 3-phase motor, 3-phase motor, and just position it on the center wire there like that, and then I'm going to left click. Now what I need to do is look at where those wires actually connect, so I'll just OK that. Now I'm actually going to delete that wire there, and that little bit of a wire just there. I'm going to delete those. There's a reason for that. I'm going to go to wire here, pick the start point here, hover on the motor, there's the first connection point, left click there. Next wire starts there, comes down, there's the connection point, left click there. Right click, enter to finish. Now I just use the scoot command, select that component there, and I can scoot across to wherever I want it to go. So if I go there, like that, can you see it scoots the whole thing though, because it's linked together? Let's just zoom out and see what it's done. If I just pan down, look, it's scooted everything. Isn't that clever? So if I click there now to scoot that wire and take it across this way a little bit, look at that. It's tidied up my entire 3-phase circuit for me. Right click, job done. So there's my 3-phase circuit all completed and in place, and I've even used the scoot command and also tweaked the wiring there. So it's quite clever how you can create a 3-phase circuit in AutoCAD Electrical.